Good morning. How we all doing? Good morning, good morning. Let's see. Let me get everything set up. Good morning. Cool. There we go. Alrighty, so yesterday took one day trade. It was on Meta. That was an absolute banger. Paper handed it, but still made really good money off of it, so I will let that slide. And then got stopped out on STEM. So took a little over $600 loss on STEM, made a little over 900 on Meta, so I'm not too pressed. Yeah, so yesterday basically, going over Meta, I said to watch it because it still looked very, very strong compared to the overall market. So if we go on over to Meta, here's our pre-market high right there. Now, you can see that we hardly broke above it right here. I was watching the level 2, and the bids were not holding above that level. So there was no reason to get in the first time. However, the second time Meta came up, those buyers showed their presence, and what ended up happening, this thing just went straight up. And it went to that second price target pretty much to a T. And then that was the high of day. So that was the only day trade I took yesterday. That was the only one that I actually liked. I was looking at a QQQ bounce at, I think it was I want to say 295. Let's see. Yes, 295, but I just didn't end up taking it. I didn't really like how it was looking. Looking at what it did, yeah, I wish I would have took it, but it wasn't something I was too interested in. So let's actually talk about STEM, right? So there was a lot of people complaining about STEM going red. I even put in the swing trade alert that you need to position yourself that if negative 50% were to hit, you can accept the loss and not complain. Like I said, I had 5 contracts of the Septembers and I had 5 of the Octobers. I lost a little over $600 and I was calm as anything. And there was people freaking out. It's crazy. It was one bad swing. Where was everybody when I had the 100, 200, 300% gainers? I didn't see anybody posting gains then. Everybody wants to come out when there's a loser though. But it is okay because in trading, we know our risk. If we accept the negative 50% risk before we even enter the trade, it should be no surprise if that negative 50% hits. So if we're hitting negative 50%, negative 40% on swings, but we're banking 100, 200, 300% gainers, you see how the risk reward plays out there? Cut your losers, let your winners ride. Pretty much the motto of swing trading. Let's see. Yeah, literally there's going to be another swing. And yeah, the target. What didn't Target do like wasn't it like 383 or 363%, something like that? Crazy. And then I had this Dixie swing that I sold yesterday. Finally. Been holding on to this thing since here, the 16th. So what is that, like half a month? But, there will be more swings. Trying to find swings in this market, it's really, really hard. And yeah, we hit a 250% butterfly on QQQ. And then I think there was another 200% on QQQ. And then we just had TCOM that did 72% when we sold, 72, 73, something around there. But yeah, that's, swing trading's hard, especially in this market. But I can guarantee you that with this strategy that I use for swings, we are going to have more winners than we have losers. And that's how we stay profitable. But I will say I was really disappointed in some people yesterday. It kind of messed with my psychology, but I will find more swings. For the ones that follow me and you guys like the swings and you accept losses with me, I will have more swings for you. Don't you worry. Anyways, let's make this watch list today. I don't think I'm going to go on TikTok this morning. Don't really feel like it. But I will be live on here. Yeah, good job with the Nvidia. If you took it. Like I said, I only took Meta. But Let's pull up the weekly watch list. Let's see. How'd everybody else do yesterday, though? Besides, what was it? Besides STEM. Anything but STEM. How did everybody do? Let's see. Where is the list? I did book my Jamaica trip yesterday, though. I'm super excited. I'm staying at the Sandals. Butler service and everything. Let's see, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Cool. All right, let's do this. Let's see what we like, what we don't like. And I think we do have news today. So hold on. Let's see. Economic calendar. Non-farm payrolls, unemployment. All right, so we can look for setups. Just hopefully they don't all invalidate. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 140 people in here, only 53 likes. Remember to run it up, hit the 150 like goal. And we will start with Amazon. Actually, you know what? I'll go live on TikTok. I'll be nice to them. Hold on 1 second. Got the SPX put. You print. Let's see. Let's go live. Perfect. I think we're doing the scuba diving when we're there. But let's see. All right, so Amazon. I will say QQQ and SPY, they broke out of a 4-hour falling wedge. So I do want to look at that. Amazon, I'll be interested above 128.5 for calls. Amazon. And let's see, below 127.2 for puts. I like them both. So we can watch both of those. Put Amazon on the list. And then we had Airbnb, don't care about. AMD and Nvidia got smoked yesterday. I know that. Let's see. AMD, honestly, would probably be more interested below 82. Jamaica. Good old Jamaica. Took profits out the market, paid for the trip. That's why I love trading. 30-minute squeeze on QQQ. We will definitely look at it, actually. But we don't care about. How we doing over here on the TikTok? Man, we only got 10 people so far. Let's see. Boeing, don't really care about. Coca-Cola, still looking for the swing. Microsoft, still holding below that trend line. Depending on non-farm payrolls, we'll see with Microsoft. SFT, Nvidia, and then Tesla. Nvidia. Uncle's Levels is in the Discord server. So if you want them, you have to join the Discord. But if you do want to join, here's the link to get in there. It's on my Beacons page. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 182 people up in here and only 90 likes. Remember, running up to 150 likes, you guys get the watch list. Yesterday's watch list printed. So, hopefully you guys made money off of it. Anyways, Nvidia, same thing. Like this both ways, depending on the job reports. Put that on the list. Oxy, don't care about because oil got smacked. And then our baby Tesla. Tesla's actually breaking the trend line that I had. So I'd be interested to see. Break above 280.34. So, Cool. Tesla made my Friday last week, so let's see if we can do it 2 weeks in a row. All right, so somebody said QQQ 30-minute squeeze. Yes, if QQQ is going to fire up, we need it above 300.2. Then that 30-minute squeeze will fire up. Good morning. How we doing over here on TikTok? There we go. We got 200 people up in here now. How are we doing? Nvidia, well, actually I looked at Nvidia. I like it both ways. Apple, we'll get to that. QQQ. Hey, you get the book today. There we go. Oh, it's 8:30. All right, let's see what the news is. Let's see what invalidates. Oh, well, there goes QQQ. All right, let's see what the actual numbers were. I don't like the way that Walter Bloomberg tweets it. August payrolls, 315,000. Expectation, 297.5 thousand. Last 526,000. Let's see if we hold. Non-farm payrolls. Didn't we just say that? Yes, we did. Okay. Unemployment rate 3.7%. Estimate 3.5%. Hourly earnings month over month 0.3. Estimate 0.4. Year over year 5.2. Estimate 5.3. So let's see. I guess there's your answer about the 30-minute squeeze on QQQ. Well, I think it's safe to say that this squeeze fired up. Jeez. All right, let's give it a minute. Let's see how the market digests the news. I'm going to assume that most of our call level was just broke based off of that. But we will see. While we're sitting here waiting for the market to decide what it wants to do, again, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys do want to pick up your copy, here's the link right there. And again, if you guys already have a copy, if you could just leave a review on Amazon, it helps a lot. Everybody on TikTok, this is my book, 450 pages long. It's on Amazon, #1 new release, The New Age of Technical Analysis. But yeah, if you guys got the book, just leave like a quick little review on Amazon. It would mean the world to me. And then for the 250 people in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. So, all right, somebody just keep me updated on what SPY and QQQ end up doing. We're going to find some more setups. So let's see. We stopped at QQQ. Let's go to Apple. Somebody asked about that. Let's see. Apple broke my level. I would like to see a possible bounce. 158.7. We could definitely trade that. And let's see. We got AMD. We looked at Amazon. Google has a 4-hour squeeze. No, it doesn't. Why'd it lie to me? Oh, well. It said there was a 4-hour squeeze. Google breaking the level. Not really interested. Yeah, we'll skip on Google. Meta made us money yesterday. Let's see what Meta's doing today. Actually would be very interested in Meta over yesterday's high. Would have preferred if it kind of just chilled out here. So maybe we can look for a bounce. So we'll put Meta on the list. How's your Nvidia calls going to do? I don't know. We'll see. Uh-oh. Guess who's in the live stream on TikTok? Who can take a guess? Let's see. Nvidia, Oxy. Take a look at Shopify. I think that's at the yearly low. It's getting very close. Actually, double bottomed off of it. Either way, don't really care about Shop. non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. Yep, our boy Johnny. Our boy John. How you doing today? Uh-oh, he's coming with the Federal Reserve. That's a huge candle. We'll see. I do like SPY. I would like to see it just chill. All right, so we have Amazon, AMD, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, QQQ, and Meta. So, yep, Jimmy John. Oh boy. I mainly trade options. Or I do trade options. That's all I trade. Let's see. Options on blue chip companies is mainly what I trade. Okay, so Amazon would like to see a pullback 128.5. Just at pre-market high. AMD. Yes, so if you want to join the Discord, here's the link right here. It's in my beacons page. Also, make sure follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. All that is on there as well. AMD broke the level. Did break that 4-hour falling wedge though. 82.85. Maybe a pullback there or a break above this high. Doesn't look too bad. I think Meta is going to be my main. Because Meta's like the only one that has a proper entry right now. Microsoft broke. Nvidia. Tesla. I hate when stuff like that happens. It's gonna Meta. I did alright yesterday. Took one day trade on Meta. Took a loss on STEM. It's all good though. We lived to trade another day. Plus, I had a fat week last week. So, I ain't too pressed about one loss. Let's see what happens with Meta. 167.36. Alright, so Meta. Love. Let's get our person's pivots. Figure out where this thing can go. That's not the chart I wanted. Neither is that. There we go. Third time's the charm. So we're sitting at the monthly pivot. Yesterday's high looks really good for a break. We have our weekly person's pivot at 168.55. I don't know, to be honest with you. I have no idea what's going to happen today. All we can do is trade the levels. Market gets smacked, I'll look for puts. And then let's see, what SMAs are we near? There was also news with Meta and Qualcomm today. I think Qualcomm's making the chips for virtual reality for the metaverse. 16747. It's going to be that 50-day SMA that we rejected yesterday. Gotta be a little careful with that. Probably the best entry would be 167.5. So we'll see. And then I don't think we got any other levels. Looks good to me. Cool. Meta it is. Get a clean chart so I can actually see. So we're looking for the break, 168.55. If you guys want a really easy way to find support and resistance, go to your settings and then go right here to where it says Snap Drawlings 2 and then choose OHLC. And then from there, what you can do is you can snap on to the wicks. You can see how it like automatically snaps on. And then you just look left to right. If there's more than 2 hits, boom, that's support or resistance. Very easy way to find it. So the way that literally, this is all I do. I just snap on to the wicks and then look left, look right. You can see we have multiple hits right here. So boom, there's a level of interest. Fun little fact, but it looks like we got a little gap that Meta can fill. It's definitely got room in between. Cool. Let's see. Any other SMAs blocking us? We do have that daily 21. But then after that, we do have some room. 1665. Wait. Oh, yeah, it's above it. Okay, perfect. 16651. 66.51. Did not even put it. Oh, well. All right, let's watch Meta. 2 days in a row. Yep, strong dollar is not good. That's why I had that dollar swing. Meta. Looking for a break above 167.5 for calls. Price target equal 168.55. 170.92. 165.96 is an interesting area for a bounce. I trade 0 DTE. Now here's the rule with 0 DTE. You should not be going full portfolio on 0 DTEs. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen somebody get burnt because they just full port on a Friday, not knowing that the contracts can literally screw you within 20 seconds. So if you're new, I suggest not even trading on Friday. Or if anything, just use a portion of your profits. If you lose the portion of your profits, that's it. You call it quits. You're done. You can also watch right here for a bounce. Bingo. All right, there's Meta. See what else we can find. BIAF. Isn't that the new China IPO? BIAF. Amazon just went on a tear. So Amazon, AMD. I'd say AMD 8351 looks pretty good. $83.51, get a nice 30-cent scalp. 83.88. Doesn't look bad. Yep. You can make $2,000 in the span of 2 minutes. You can lose $2,000 in the span of 2 minutes on 0 DT. Honestly, Mike, I don't take into consideration the open interest. Like, if there's a lot of open interest, I don't think, I'm trying to figure out how to word it. Just because there's a lot of open interest in puts doesn't mean that the stock or whatever you're looking at is technically bearish. Because there's a number of reasons why people could be in those contracts. One, people who are diamond handing and can't even take the loss. Two, they have hedges. Maybe it's tied to equity. Maybe they have a bigger position on the other side. Maybe it's part of a spread. And the list goes on and on. So the main thing I just look for is their volume, is there open interest, but I don't take into consideration, okay, there's a lot of open interest on the put side, it must be bearish. Hopefully that makes sense. But let's see how the futures are doing. All right, we're coming down a little bit. Honestly, I'd like to see us bounce off of that 300. The contracts expired that day, that 0DT. I mean, we still have that 30-minute squeeze, holding above 300.2. Let's go back to that AMD. I mean, if the market flushes, I'll watch AMD under 82. Except we have a Dragonfly Doji at the bottom of a downtrend on AMD. That's actually interesting on the daily. $83.51. Get our Parsons pivots back up. 81.2. What's that? 79.83. This ThinkorSwim. Actually looks like we're doing a little inverse head and shoulders right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And we're right at that neckline. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, let's do it. AMD, it's on the list. 80. I mean, once we break above 83, 88, I don't got much. We're in an area that we haven't been in a long time. Actually, hold on. There is one level. There we go. 85.4. Cool. Let's see. Get AMD. AMD. Watching both ways. Looking for a break above 83.51 for calls. Price target equal 83.88. 85.41. Below, what is that? 82 for puts. Price target equal 81.2. 79.83. And we'll throw on the last one. 78.52. Bingo. There's AMD. Yeah, the light blue is my 55 EMA. All right, so there's AMD. We're pulling back. Maybe we pull back right to 300. We'll see. Continue to keep that on watch. All right, let's see what else we can get. AMD, Microsoft, SPX. Actually, Microsoft looks pretty weak. Be interested in Microsoft below 258.9. That doesn't look bad. Nvidia. No, I only use the 55 EMA on the daily, weekly, and monthly. Nvidia looks good. 138. Break below there or break above the high. 141.5. I'm watching video along with AMD, Tesla. Honestly, I would say I'm not too interested in Tesla unless we get above 282. What is that? 282.57. 286.82. Person's pivot say 28736. Tesla might find its way onto the list. Not yet, but I think it might. I think it's either go with Microsoft or Nvidia. And then real quick, again, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys do want to pick up your copy of the #1 new release, The New Age of Technical Analysis, make sure to do that. That is the link right there. For the people on TikTok, 450 pages, The New Age of Technical Analysis. Make sure you guys pick it up. But I would say Microsoft and Nvidia, they look pretty weak. I will watch both ways. But what do you guys think? Nvidia or Microsoft? Because I kind of want to watch Tesla today. How many likes we got in here also? We got 150 likes yet? 143. You guys are super close. Run it up to 150 likes and you guys will get the watch list. Microsoft or Nvidia? I say Nvidia. For 4.5. Nvidia. Well, I'm glad we are all in agreement with Nvidia. 36.1. I don't even know what OKTA is. To be honest with you, I have no idea. 41, 49. Bingo. All right, let's watch a video both ways. Let's make sure there is. Nope, no SMAs are blocking. Cool. Nvidia. Watching both ways. Good morning. Both ways. For a break above 141.5 for calls. Price target equal 143.8, 144.55. I mean 150. Possible. 149.59. Puts below 138. Price target equal 136.1, 132.7. Boom. There's Nvidia. And then I think we're going to put our baby Tesla on the list. Let's look at QQQ again. Have I been sitting here looking at the 1 hour next to the 1 hour this whole time and nobody told me? All right, let's put our baby Tesla on the list. Gotta watch it. 282.50. Solid level. Below 277 for puts. Ideally, want to see Tesla go up. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing. Nothing. Something. Bingo. All good. Good. ordered your book. Let's go. I hope you enjoy it. All right, so Tesla's definitely got room up. It's breaking. Let me double check this. Yep, breaking above the 4-hour trend line. See if we can get that continuation today. Tesla breaking 4-hour falling wedge. Looking for a break above 282.574 calls. Price target equal 285.83, 287.41. If market pulls, I will look for puts. Bingo. There's our baby Tesla. So there's the 4 things I'm going to be watching today. 175 likes on the YouTube. I love it. So real quick before I drop the watch list, in case you guys did not know, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. What do you mean broken link? Bang, 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 bang. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, if you guys are not following me on TikTok, you guys need to make sure you do that. Again, live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. And yeah, you guys can ask any questions as always. And if you haven't already, make sure to pick up the New Age of Technical Analysis. Again, there's a link right there. Everybody on TikTok, the New Age of Technical Analysis on Amazon, make sure to pick it up. And then one more thing before I drop the watch list. If you guys want to join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, get book maps, interactive brokers, whatever it is, you can find all of that in that link right there. But let's see, let's drop the watch list. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. So make sure you guys do your own proper risk management. Use your own due diligence. It is Friday, and Friday is a hard day to trade, especially if you're new. So if anything, lighten up your size. If you don't see anything, take no trades. Yeah. Other than that, let's make some money today. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll be trading live with you guys in like 15-20 minutes. Other than that, everybody have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll talk to everybody on Tuesday. Remember, the market is closed on Monday, so I will not be live on Monday. But everybody take it easy. I'll talk